Hi there, this is Linda Tremor, and I want to review Glynn Kosky's Christmas Commission Bundle. But before you look at my bonuses and everything, I want to remind you to subscribe. If you subscribe to my channel, you'll be able to find more of these reviews, and you'll also find tips and information on affiliate and internet marketing. So let's go over here and look at the sales page. Now, Glynn Kosky is a great internet marketer. He puts out a product a month about, and he makes lots of money doing it. And what he's going to do is he's going to give you 15 of his best-selling software products for the price of one. So if you looked at one over the past year and you thought about buying it, but you didn't, now's your chance because you're going to get 15 of them. And if you just run through the sales page here, we'll come down to where he has a list of everything you're going to get. And here's pictures of everything. And we'll go down. Here we go. It says, check out what the commission bundle can do for you. It'll show you how to get viral traffic, how to monetize your website, recurring commissions, affiliate commissions. And let me go over here. Here's my review. And here's a list of all the products that he's going to be giving you. And these are products that got deal of the day on Warrior Plus, and they're also ones that he put out this year, 2020. So, this is the biggest and best bundle of all time, and a lot of great products here. Big ticket commissions, tube siphon for YouTube, freebie commissions, high ticket hijack. That's a really good one. So let me go down here and show you my great bonuses. Now, these bonuses are unique to me. You're not going to find them anywhere else. The first one is going to be 35 great products from 17 top marketers. You're going to get all of Daud Islam's products. And if you know Daud, he's really just a success story. In 1 year, he went from 0 a month to I think it's like 15,000 a month. It was just an amazing story. And all of his products, there's one called Tiger Traffic here, all about how to get free traffic. Greyhound Giveaways. Greyhound Giveaways allows you to give away some of his products as bonuses. He's got some on email marketing, just about everything you can think of. Now, I had thought of maybe just giving you 1 or 2 of these, even 3 of them, and make it look like I had a lot of bonuses. But instead, I'm giving you his whole package. Plus, there are 16 others, 17 counting him, 16 other top marketers who have given products in this package. So it's a really good package, well worth getting. And again, you can give away some of these as bonuses when you offer your product. Here's bonus number 2. All of the top marketers have their own product. They have created products and sold them, and that's how they get their buyers list. Well, this is free software where you can make a funnel, a membership site, and it's a page builder. Create any kind of page you'd like for any niche. Create any kind of sales funnel you'd like for any niche. Create any kind of page and just edit it. Create a membership site. So you get all of this. It's all in the cloud. So you don't even have to come up with a domain name or pay for hosting or any of that. It's hosted free. Well worth getting if you ever think of making your own product and having a funnel. And even if you don't, just for the page builder, it's well worth getting. You won't see that one anywhere. And then here's a video course, $100 per day with free traffic. That's a really good video course. And here's another one, How to Make Money Online with Affiliate Marketing. It's a 16-part video course by Jonah Armstrong. Really good course. And then you get access to all the vendor bonuses. So you're going to get all the vendor bonuses. You're going to get how to make money online with affiliate marketing, everything you need to know. $100 a day with free traffic, what you have to do. My funnel builder, FX Funnels, really good funnel builder, membership site builder, page builder, and then this is the best one, 35 great products from 17 top marketers, all of Daud Islam's products here, every one of them. And in case you haven't noticed, he names all his products after animals, which is pretty nifty. And then 17 top marketers have also put in products in this group. And again, there's some products here that you can give away free as bonuses. So that's what you're going to get in the Christmas commission bundle. All of these products from Glynn. So you're going to get 15 Deal of the Day software products. That's what's included. And he's also going to include many more unadvertised products and bonuses, a library of 20 digital information products. And in my bonuses, I added a couple unadvertised bonuses also. So that you have that. Let me go over here and look at the upsells for you. He really doesn't tell us much about the upsells, but you get the unlimited version here. That would mean more of his products. Done for you. Unlimited traffic. Not exactly sure what that is. Sometimes he allows you to put a pixel on his sales page. That could be it, but I don't know for sure. 30K in 30 days. Super affiliate version. Then you can get the license rights and the auto profit boost. So those are the upsells with the prices and then the downsells here. So I would advise you to go over here, check it out, because with all of these products, you can do all of this, make affiliate review sites, high-ticket sales, e-commerce sites. It's certainly well worth it. This is how much money he brought in this year with these products. So they are proven products, well worth getting. And click any of the links on my bonus page. Any of these links will take you right over to his product, his sales page. Click there and you've got everything you need. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video.